Hello, everybody. My name is Rim Borsim, and I've been studying health science for almost 2 years now. This program is for students wishing to pursue university studies in the health or biomedical fields in order to have access to future careers in medicine, dentistry, pharmaceutical research, or animal health. The program provides students with the foundations in mathematics and physics while also providing them with an in-depth knowledge of chemistry and biology. With the constant advancement in medicine and healthcare, the need to communicate about new research findings, products, devices, and services is growing. Medical writers are the ones to hire to convey new information to healthcare professionals as well as the general public. They work in a variety of formats from traditional print publications to electronic publications. They also have extremely diverse tasks, for example, writing healthcare policy documents, scientific journal articles, advertisements for pharmaceutical products, etc. These documents have to be spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors free in order to be viewed as reliable. Also, medical writers must reduce awkward phrasing, biased language, and language that is inappropriate for the audience in order to convey the information correctly. And I'll show you, with future medical writers, a free website to help you achieve this. First, open a new tab on your browser, type the URL into the address bar, virtualwritingtutor.com, and hit enter. There's this page that will appear. In the top left corner of the screen, there's the logo, and underneath, at the top of the screen in the middle, there's the navigation menu. On the right-hand side, you can see the link to log in if you want to. On the middle of the screen, there's the text area where you write the sentences or texts you want to eliminate errors from. In the top corner of the text area, there's an accreditation button on which you can click on to see all the check-in options on the website. If you scroll down, you can see descriptions of all the types of checker available on the website. For example, spell checker, grammar checker, punctuation checker, vocabulary checker, etc. Also, let's go back to the text area. In the bottom right corner of the text area, there's a microphone for speech recognition and a speech button to help you know how to pronounce certain difficult words. Also, in the bottom right corner of the screen, there's a robot icon on which you can click on to start a conversation with the virtual writing tutor chatbot and ask your questions. So, when you're a medical writer, you'll have to write medical articles. And let's say you're writing an article on when to see a doctor for a sore throat. Here's an example of a sentence you could write. In most cases, your sore throat will improve with at-home treatment. Okay, so there's two words that are underlined in red. That means that I have a grammar or spelling error in those words. So I'll click on check grammar to know my grammar errors, and a feedback will appear. My error profile. Here I wrote in most cases, and the feedback is that I need a plural form when there's more than one case. And here there's a suggestion. They suggest me to add an S to case. So I'll go here on the text area and add an S. My second error is I wrote will improve. That is a typo, and the suggestion is to replace improve with improve. So I'll go back to the text area and replace improve by improve. And now you have a beautiful sentence. Hope this will help you as a future medical writer. Thank you.